Hello listeners, welcome to the 13th Hindi Jane session. Today in this session, we are going to learn about the Barakadi. बारकड़ी में आज हम या रा ला वा का सीरीज देखने वाले हैं. या का बारकड़ी इधर है. या ई यू ये यई यो यौ यम यह. रा से र रा रि री रु रू रे रै रो राव रम रह. ला से ल ला लि ली लु लू ले लै लो लव लम लह. वा से व वा वि वी वु वू वे वै वो वौ वम वह. Now the words for the day. Ya se yaad. Yaad is the memory in English and ninaivu in Tamil. Ra se rail. Rail is a train in English and rail in Tamil. La se lakadi. Lakadi is a stick in English and kuchi in Tamil. Va se varsh. Varsh is the year in English and varidam in Tamil. The new words for the day are ba, ich, cha, bacha. Bacha is a child in English and kurandai in Tamil. Ka, ich, cha, kacha. Kacha is the raw. We say raw rice, na? That is it. So, pachayana is the meaning in Tamil. Ka, pa, da, kapada. Kapada is a cloth in English and tuni in Tamil. La, id, ka, ladika. Ladika is a boy in English and siruvan in Tamil. La, id, ki, ladiki. Ladiki is a girl in English and sirumi in Tamil. Now the spoken Hindi sentences are मैदान में लड़के खेल रहे हैं. The boys are playing in the playground. तालाब में पानी बहुत है. The pond is full of water. पेड़ हमें छाया देती हैं. Trees give us shadow. सबको सादर प्रणाम. Wishes to all of you. Thanks for your patient listening. Now it's bye from Rajeshwari for Arivalai podcast read by Bharati Educational Institution, Redipati, Namakkal. Stay cool, stay blessed.